Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching German class. In today's video, I am going to tell you about ASCII A2 level German speaking exam. When you are going for speaking exam of A2 level German, what type of question will be asked to you? This is Teil 1. There are total 3 tiles, 3 parts of this speaking examination. So today I am going to teach you Teil 1, part 1 of the exam. How can you tackle, how will you handle this part? So as you can see, I have just drawn a picture as you will find in the model test papers. This is Teil 1 and there are 4 questions. Ausbildung, Studium, Musik, Eltern oder Familie, Name. So you have to ask 4 questions to your partner. Similarly, your partner will ask you the 4 questions and you have to answer. It means it's all about question answer round. 4 questions and 4 answers. You have to ask one question to the each point. As you can see, there are 4 points. So you have to frame questions and be careful. Do not make any mistake. Avoid mistakes. Try to speak mistake free sentences. Okay, don't try to make complicated sentences. This is my advice to you. So if you speak mistake free correct sentence as per the point given here, you will get good marks and you will score 100%. There are students who have scored 100% in speaking exam. So you can also score the same, but you need to be very careful and very smart. So let's see what type of questions can be made with these 4 options. So first is Ausbildung. Ausbildung oder Studium. So what type of question you can ask, like wo studieren Sie? Where are you studying? Or you can say wo haben Sie studiert? Wo haben Sie studiert? Or you can ask welche Ausbildung machen Sie? Which training internship are you doing? Welche Ausbildung? So here the word welche, you have done this word welche. Or you should know wo. So you should know these W-Frage-Wörter. Wo studieren Sie? Welche Ausbildung machen Sie? Oder wo machen Sie die Ausbildung? Where are you doing training? So this wo and welche, these 2 words are very important. Okay, these 2 question words. You should know W family word, na? Wo, was, where, wann, warum, wie lange, woher, wohin. These are the question words that you should know perfectly, and then you can easily frame questions. So if I ask like wo studieren Sie? Give the simple answer, ich studiere an der Uni. Or welche Ausbildung machen Sie? Dann ich mache Ausbildung als Kellner oder als Lehrer oder als Krankenschwester oder Krankenpfleger. Simple sentence, simple answer, simple question. Come to the second point, that is Musik. So think about that, what type of question you can ask. Musik, like again these 2 question words will be helpful for all the points. So therefore you should know these question words. Like welche Musik hören Sie? Welche Musik hören Sie? And try to ask W-Frage. No, don't ask Ja, Nein Frage. W-Frage is preferable. Welche Musik hören Sie? Answer, ich höre pop music, jazz music, rock music. So again here, welche is helpful. Welche, which music you hear? Which music you listen? Welche Musik hören Sie gern? You like to listen, you like to hear. This is the simple question you can ask. So Musik or welche Musik hören Sie? Okay, and then wann hören Sie Musik? When do you listen music? Wann is again another word. I will write here wann. Okay, wann hören Sie Musik? Wann hören Sie Musik? When do you hear Musik? And your partner will ask, then you can reply, ich höre Musik am Abend oder ich höre Musik in der Freizeit, in the free time. So these kind of simple answer you need to give, just very to the point. Then you will see the result 100%. Next point, Eltern. So what type of question you can ask? Like wohnen Sie mit Eltern? But this is Ja, Nein Frage, so we should not use this. Or you can say wo wohnen Ihre Eltern? Wo wohnen Ihre Eltern? Wo, where live your parents? Where do your parents live? Where do they live? Meine Eltern wohnen bei mir, with me. Or meine Eltern wohnen in der Stadt, in the city. Or meine Eltern wohnen auf dem Land, in the countryside. Auf dem Dorf, in the village. Meine Eltern wohnen in Berlin, in Paris, in Delhi, in Canada. Any city name. Okay, this is the question with Elton. Okay, wo. Oder wann fahren Sie zu Ihren Eltern if you live separate from your parents? Wann fahren Sie? When do you go to your parents? But this question is better. Wo wohnen Ihre Eltern? Oder was sind Ihre Eltern von Beruf? What is the profession of your parents? Was sind Ihre Eltern von Beruf? What is the profession? Then you can say meine Eltern, mein Vater ist Lehrer oder mein Vater ist Manager und meine Mutter ist Hausfrau if she is not working, oder meine Mutter ist Krankenschwester oder Ärztin, whatever the profession. This is a simple question and answer. Next is Familienname. Then you know Familienname? Wie ist Ihre Familienname? Don't say what, was, wie, how is. Remember when we ask name, wie heißen Sie? Wie ist Ihre Familienname? Oder buchstabieren Sie bitte Ihr Familienname. Please spell your family name. This question is very important. Then you have to say the spelling in German, like ich heiße Aditya, so A, D, I, T, Y, A. Then you have to spell buchstabieren Sie Ihr Familienname. Although it's ja, nein, but it's very good question. Okay, wie ist Ihr Familienname? Okay, so these are the questions that can be asked. So it's a very small video but very informative for all the A2 students who wants to prepare for the examination. This is Teil 1. Next video will be on Teil 2 and then Teil 3. We'll see the entire module of expression. So thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.